Huskies, it's Iris. I'm here with Dr. Stucky from the University of Michigan. Why are you here?
I'm here to introduce the children to what happens to when we put things in liquid nitrogen. We're having some Elsa power today because Elsa's out this weekend, the new movie Frozen, and a lot of the kids like that, so this is really cool. We freeze things and we show what happens when we freeze them. Some things shatter when we freeze them, some things don't, and they have to make predictions on which will freeze, which won't, and try to determine why they don't freeze.
That's really cool.
You observe everything every day? Does anybody help mom, dad, grandma, brother, sister cook?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's science. Did you know that?
No.
Cooking is science. And that's what I do. I have to follow a recipe when I do it's called a protocol. Well, you guys are going to have Elsa power today. What does Elsa do? Just shout it out. What does Elsa do?
She freezes.
Yes, she freezes things. So you are behind this line because I'm going to have some Elsa power, and if you get too close to me, I'll have to freeze you. And that would be very bad because we are going to be working with liquid nitrogen today. I am going to pour out some liquid nitrogen in my red bucket. And you know, we work in the lab. We have red buckets in our lab and only liquid nitrogen can go in them. So we know that liquid nitrogen is in there.
What state of matter is that?
Gas.
Everybody.
Yes.
Liquid when she pours, gas when it comes out. You see it coming out of the bucket?
Yeah.
That's the gas. What's happening to it? Do we see the gas in the air?
Yes.
Does it stay where we can see it?
No.
It doesn't come all the way up. You know why?
It goes down.
It goes down, and it actually will do a waterfall. It'll do a waterfall. Can you see it going over the edge?
Yeah.
And I'm not pouring liquid, but it looks like liquid. It's the gas because this is heavier than air. Liquid nitrogen is heavier. The gas off of nitrogen is heavier than normal air. When we know it stops boiling, we know it will be 180 degrees below zero on Celsius scale. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Watch.
Oh.
Wow! Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah! And you'll be able to touch these in a little bit, because I don't want to freeze you yet. What do you think is going to happen to the petals? Do you think they'll be stiff and stay apart and just fall apart?
No.
Any predictions about what's going to happen to this donut?
It's gonna break.
What do you think, Kyle?
It's gonna freeze.
Vinny?
It's gonna freeze.
Jackson, sorry. Wrong name.
It's
Yes.
gonna boil.
Okay. Tears up.
It's gonna freeze.
Okay. Levi?
It's gonna boil and then freeze.
Danny?
It's gonna freeze.
What do you think, Lauren?
I think it's gonna freeze and then boil.
How many of you think it's going to freeze? Anybody think it's going to do something else different? Okay. Henry, what do you think it's going to do? Henry, what do you think? Can we hear it?
Yeah.
Look at the gas coming out the outside.
Yeah.
So where is that gas going? What is it becoming part of? Put it in your hand if you know. Release?
Air.
The air around us, the atmosphere, right? That's what we're studying right now.
I squeezed it too hard.
Cool.
It just crumbles. Here, let me grab this one. Let's do another one. That one didn't work so well because it broke up in here. When it stops boiling, we know that it reached the right temperature. Hear it quieting down.
Yeah.
All the air has escaped it.
Third row, if you want to get on your knees so you can see better, you may. Second row stays flat because you can look behind it between the heads of the people in front of you, but third row can get up a little taller. Do you hear it boiling anymore?
No.
Neither.
I see. Yeah.
A little
I
bit.
do. I see.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
This one's a whole piece so I can grab it.
Cool.
And it broke.
I'm gonna pass it around.
You want to pass around? I have to let you wait just a moment before you can pass this one around.
Maybe the original. Second row, pass it to the third row.
You can
While we wait, I'll let
Do you
you
want
know.
to try this?
When it's time to take the gloves off,
Maybe.
you roll it from here and
You
you
gotta
pull
hold
it
it
inside out to take them off.
and
okay?
slam it.
Sit flat, you're in the second row. Thank you.
The gloves
Back
will
row can
keep
be on the
me
knees, second row.
Okay, we'll keep you protected.
That's just, yeah.
You want to try?
Try doing
Okay, come on this side of me. And you gotta just grab it by the tip and hit it on the table.
the tip.
The end of the banana. Okay? It does take a while. The banana is very thick.
I'm gonna try my eyes out. I want to know.
More matter takes longer to freeze.
To us.
Or to thaw.
I'm gonna try my eyes out. You can do a donut. No, we got it. It will probably be really cool. Probably gonna be less cool. Look at them.
Okay, you ready? We'll try it. It's still boiling a little bit, but I think it's going to be good. Okay. Slam it. There you go! Awesome! Thank you. Let's give her a hand. Yay! So have you guys ever had a frozen banana before? Yeah, well they can take the banana and dip it in chocolate and roll it in nuts and then dip it in liquid nitrogen and freeze it super fast.
Hi Huskies, it's still number since November. If you want to win 10 Husky Pride tokens card, comment down below on Facebook. There will be one winner and you need to figure out how many triangles are in the shape. Have a good weekend.
Quinn here, I'm with 4th grade. We are going to be doing the Northeast States and Capitals song. Yes.